for riding.
Yeah, that is cool.
Shoot over the hood. It's really great while it's moving.
You can leave it running. Sounds nice. So tell us about this one.
Yeah, this car I found in, believe it or not, in Hemmings.
Wow.
And I had it shipped in from Arizona. I think it was Arizona. Could have been Vegas.
Definitely looks like it belongs in Vegas.
And it certainly does. When I got it, we stripped it down, and we found out that the motor was bad. And the training wasn't much better.
What kind of motor is in there?
We went out, we bought a brand new crate motor.
350?
From GM, yeah, 350.
Okay.
Had it shipped within 2 days. We had the motor, and we put a 700 R4 tranny in it.
Nice overdrive tranny.
Nice overdrive. And we did the dashboard, aluminum, put in new gauges.
Yeah.
We did the wiring on it.
Kelsey Hayes wheels, huh?
For the Ford.
The wires?
No, they're not.
They're not wired?
They're not, no.
Okay.
They're unique.
They look nice.
Oh,
nice wide spoke, big wide whites on it. Yeah. Suicide doors.
Yeah. And Ford 9-inch rear.
Cool.
Out of a 57 Thunderbird. And we did the entire exhaust.
Okay.
And the unique thing about the car, and the reason I bought it, was because it's a 4-seater. You don't find many 4-seaters.
Sure.
And the 4-seater was unique. So I wanted it for my dog. I had a bearded collie.
Oh, cool.
So I finished the car and the damn dog died. So it's a great hobby we chose. But it's got a good sized back seat.
Yeah.
Real people in it. It's a fine running car. Again,
power steering, power brakes, air conditioning.
No, no air.
No air? Okay.
No air. But it's the beauty of it is it's supercharged.
Oh, it is.
And boy, does it run!
Sounds like you got cherry bombs coming out the back.
Yeah, they were actually they're from J.C. Whitney.
Yeah.
Great running car.
What kind of supercharger? Is it like a...
It's a 144.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it's a Whipple charger?
Yeah, it gives it 110 horsepower.
Oh, cool.
Open the hood, you'll see it.
So she's got 400 horse.
Oh, yeah,
right? Yeah.
Oh, maybe more.
Maybe a little more? 4 1/4?
Well, we redid the radiator, ignition system, you know, everything that needed to be done. Oh, and I have a set of horns on it.
Yeah.
From the Montauk ferry boat that went to Block Island.
What?
Hey, you look inside the grill, you'll see them.
Oh my God.
They're
very cool.
3 feet long, each of them. And when I hit those horns, people come up out of their seats. They put their cell phones down.
That's great.
I got a convertible top I'm making for it. Those fender skirts came off my original Duesenberg.
Oh, great. You look great on there. The boat tail.
I never even touched it.
Really? Slid them right on there, huh?
Duesenberg.
Very cool.
Same color as the Auburn.
Very cool. Very unique car. He just turned 80 years old. He's got a big collection of cars. He's selling everything. I love his shifter. How cool is that? Got a wheel and blower on it. Power steering, power brakes. Very cool. Aluminum radiator. Very well sorted. Very cool. It's 96 miles. Woo! It's got some juice. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Any questions at all, feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.